Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to cook creamy chicken with mushroom. First we need to prepare the chicken. Pat them dry and then sprinkle some salt and pepper and let it marinate. After that, turn it to another side and do the same. We also need some wild mushroom and asparagus. So here are the ingredients that we need to cook this recipe. First, we will saute the butter and then we add the mushroom to cook. When the mushroom turns to golden brown, we can take it up. Next, we put another butter and saute it until melted. Then we can put in the chicken. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes until it turns brown. Next, we will add the garlic. Saute the garlic with the chicken. After that, we can add the chopped parsley. Saute the chopped parsley. Then add in the cooked mushroom. After that, we can add in the carrot and also the asparagus. Next, we can put in the chicken broth. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes and then we can add in the heavy cream. When the sauce is thickened, then it is ready to be served. It is so tasty. I am very hungry and I know you are hungry too. Let's eat. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos and recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.